Hello friends, today we'll see standard 4th mathematics, the first chapter. The first chapter, the next part is circle. Now you have seen where can you see circles around you in your life? A bangle, a bicycle wheel, a cart wheel, a car wheel. All wheels are circular. All wheels are circular. So you find circles, lots of circles in the environment around you of many sizes. Okay. Now today we learn more little bit detail about the circle. Now how can you draw circles? How can you draw a circle? The most common way children draw is they take any circular thing and they move the pencil around and a circle is formed. You can take a steel bowl or you can take a bottle cap. You can take anything and you can draw a circle like this. Now, we will see some properties of the circle. Suppose if I have a paper and I have drawn a circle and I cut this and I have cut this circle and it is come this here. So if I just fold a little bit of part of a circle, and when I open it, this line is formed. This mark is formed. So when when the line is drawn on a circle, little bit on a downer side, at the edge of the circle over here at the circular part, that is called as the chord of the circle. Okay. Now if this paper I totally fold and overlap with each other, and again I open up, there is a mark out over there, and this which divides the circle into two equal halves, this line is called as the diameter of the circle. The diameter is also a chord of a circle. Okay, means what is a chord of a circle? A line drawn which joins the two edges, two circular edges of the circle. So chord is nothing but that. So this can be also a chord, this can be also a chord, this can be also a chord, this can be also a chord. So diameter is the longest chord. It is the longest chord. What is the diameter? Diameter is one which divides the circle into exactly two halves. Now what we do is, now we just fold it again. We just fold it again and this forms the quarter part, and when you open the folded part, you will get the center. You will get the center where these four, when you open up and where these two lines join, this is called, this is the center of the circle. This is the center of the circle. And this from center of the circle, and if you draw one line, yes, now this is the center of the circle. Okay, now from the center, if I draw this one line, okay, this one line or this line or this line or this line, okay, from the center of the circle I draw these lines. Here it is shown as, center is named as P, and here it is, center is named as M, and here it is P. This is called as the radius of the circle. This is called as a radius of the circle. So children, so if I draw, if this is a circle, this is its center, so you name it as point M. Okay, from here I take any point on the circle and I draw this line, it becomes P. So my radius is MP. Suppose I extend this MP and I draw this side. So it draws this side and I name it as R. So this is the longest chord, and it divides the circle exactly into halves. So diameter is RP. What is the center of the circle? Center of the circle is point M. Now what is this? I'll make one more line over here and name it as AB. So AB is the chord. AB is the chord. Yes. Now what I had asked you previously, how can you draw a circle? So you can draw a circle by keeping the circular objects. But in mathematics you use a compass. Now what is a compass? In your geometry box, this is there. This is called as a compass. This is called as a compass. This compass is used to draw. Now see, here is the hinge. I'll tell you the different parts. Here is the hinge of the circle, of the compass. This is the compass needle, and this is the hold for a pencil, and you insert a pencil out over here. Okay, you insert a pencil out over here. You have to keep these both ends together and level it, and then only you will be able to draw a perfect circle. Now how to draw a circle with the help of a compass? The first thing to draw a circle with a compass is you need to know the radius. You need to have a radius. Now how to take a radius? First insert the pencil into the compass, take a scale, and suppose if you have to draw a circle with the radius 5 centimeters. Now the radius is 5 centimeters. What you do is you keep this point on 0 and you stretch the pencil out over here on 5. So your radius is ready. Then you place it on a paper. This will be the center of the circle for you, and this radius you have taken. Now you are just going to, you are not going to move this from here. You are going to just shift this entire pencil and it will come back till here. So this is the way you are going to shift the pencil. This is the way you are going to shift the pencil. It has started from here and you are going to shift the pencil from here like this. This has to be fixed at one place and you have to shift it and you have to come here. This way you can draw a circle using a compass. Now you have to practice this. You need to practice a lot. So draw circles with radius 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 6 centimeter. So what you will do, you will take a scale, you will take the compass, you will adjust the lengths and you will draw the circle like this. Okay. So in this lesson, in this part, what did we see? We saw how the different elements of a circle what are the different elements of a circle? The center of the circle, chord of the circle, next we saw diameter, also called as chord, no sorry, diameter not called chord, diameter is a chord. Okay. Diameter is also a chord. And fourth, what is the radius, what is the radius. And we also saw how to draw the circle with a compass. So what we saw how a compass looks, its different parts, and we saw the steps to draw a circle. So the first step is, step 1 is to measure the radius on a scale. Step 2 is mark the center with the pointed edge. And step 3 is roll the pencil with the taken measurement, and you get a circle. So there are 3 steps for drawing a circle. To measure the radius on a scale, mark the center with a pointed edge and roll the pencil with a taken measurement, and you get a circle. So it's a very easy topic. Only two different parts were there, the elements and how to draw a circle. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, bye.